We're playing some mini golf today. Who's going first?
I'll go.
You going first? Oh. You want to keep score?
No, don't matter.
Keep score. I don't want to keep
Well,
score.
all playing together, or y'all three playing and then four playing?
I don't want to keep score.
Okay.
You want to keep score?
No, this ain't
Is that just keep it rolling?
Everything. I'm up to like 12.
Son.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Look right there.
Bank shot off that right there.
What are you doing?
I got a 1. I'll be a 0.
Excuse me, sir.
Sorry, yeah, a little bit better.
I got a little chip.
Wait, did you putt left there?
Yeah, that's not putt left hand. Oh.
Oh, what a shot.
Let's see what Levi can do here.
I'm gonna get it.
0. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What a shot.
Oh, yes, sir.
A little bit too far. Oh, Ben, what are we doing,
We don't
son?
take drops here.
What are we doing?
We don't
It's a
take
flop
drops.
shot. It is ball.
I'm watching. I'm
Go to your ball.
I'm watching. My ball's right here.
Bro, you got a toddler's. Okay.
Okay. You're trying to flip it up.
That ain't even work, son.
That's what they always say.
Got another chip shot. Who's oh, yeah, you know.
Yeah, I'm back there.
Flop shot. Come on, come on. Hey, a little bit.
We got dropped.
Can't even keep it on the green.
Can he sink it? Can he do it? Oh, he missed. Oh, he made it.
Yeah.
What a shot.
What's this place called?
Yourmom.com.
Vogel State Park. So we're at yourmom.com, aka Vogel State Park, with Ben.
Yeah.
Of course. Levi.
And yours truly.
Alright. You can drink. Good lord. I'm gonna hide behind the tree. I don't trust you.
Oh. Oh, it is.
It's okay.
Oh, I got a hole in one.
Oh, you sold.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, that's probably it.
Alright. Watch and learn here.
Can he do it?
Oh, talk to me. Talk to me.
Come on.
Packed it too hard.
Alright, but
Hey, you can put it
Levi, are you already in?
Yeah, I'm in.
You can drop it right in the center.
I stated.
What I was trying to do was hit the wall.
Let's tap.
What do you call that one?
Oh, rejected.
No one's laughing.
Well, I thought you couldn't read either.
Do not.
Don't hit the corner.
I skipped the thing.
There you go. Oh!
Oh!
Did you miss the ball the first 2 times?
How do you get it?
Stay up.
Freeze.
Yeah, look who lost. He was.
Hold on. Keep trying to restart. I lost by by
Like
something. By like 5. Yeah.
Like 5 strokes.
Well, hold on.
No, you were beating me by 1, and you got 8 on the last hole and lost. And I got 3.
That hole was pretty hard.
You got 5
That
strokes.
hole was pretty hard.
Yeah. It was hard because like you don't know how hard to hit it.
+2.
To like make it in the hole and bank it off the wall.
2 + 3. 44. Dang, he beat you by 6.
You beat him by 2.
You beat him.
Oh.
You beat him by 6. 44.
You beat him. Hey dudes, we at the park. Walk around the lake. I'm with us.
Walking top of it. I want to mini golf, so now we're gonna go walk these guys steam off. because they suck.
Oh yeah, so the one who lost.
No.
No, you lost.
This is what I've come to in my life, is filming y'all do crap. This is what I've come to in my life, filming y'all do crap.
I bet I can land it. You do a backflip.
I can't do a backflip.
I don't get the balls to do a front flip.
Last time I was at the beach and I did one, I'll put the clip into the video. I landed on my back.
That's the thing.
It hurt pretty bad.
Yeah, I'm just gonna like run and just jump over the thing.
You can't see the bottom?
Yeah, I can.
Oh yeah, I can see the bottom right there.
It says no swimming, but you know.
When
You
does
gotta
that?
do it
When has that ever stopped, Levi?
Yeah.
It hasn't.
I really want like my shoes though. I don't want to touch the bottom. I hate the feeling of the bottom of the legs.
Oh.
Yeah, you can't do it in the shoes. Look at them things. Them fresh whites. Fresh white, just like me.
Yeah, y'all have the same shoes.
I swear. I'm gonna push him in.
Oh, Levi, look, this is shallow. Oh!
How much? Jump on that twig right there.
I'm not letting you do that.
Jump on it, swing back. Not a bad idea.
$2 $2.
2,000. I'll come back and jump on that.